Nourish for me feels like the sort of nicest thing I could do for myself. We can't really help people meaningfully and sustainably if we don't look after ourselves. And the more we look after ourselves, the more connected we are to the planet. So we look after the planet better. And it is a positive cycle if we let it be. My name is Melissa Hemsley. I love to share really easy recipes that champion small businesses that are doing fantastic things in their communities. My responsibility as someone in food is to share joyfully recipes that are delicious and doable for everyone. I think we've all got roles and responsibilities, but I think with food especially, every time we shop or we eat or we go out to a restaurant, we're sort of voting for the sort of world we want to live in. So it's a really powerful position to be in. Lovely, yeah. Look at that one. There is a lot of food in the world, but we are wasting a lot of it. And we are also not necessarily eating the food that nourishes us the most. And if we could waste a lot less, we would be doing ourselves and the planet such a favor. The more we feel good, the better we can look out for each other and the planet. So I think that's a really important one. If you get eco-anxiety, anxiety of any kind, or overwhelmed, we really need to start at home, look after ourselves, cook well, share, and then we can hopefully make a difference together. It's caring what you put in your body, both for your health and the planet's health and your mental health. Today I'm going to make for you a lovely squash tray bake with cauliflower and a cashew herby chutney. We use absolutely every part of the veg in it. It's full of flavour and colour and seasonal goodness. Low effort, big flavour, feeds a crowd. Look at these beautiful, I love this sort of silvery goddess looking one, this bright orange, knobbly, lovely skin. I'm going to let the oven do the work, fill it up, get it all in. You don't want to overcrowd your tray. Olive oil and salt. We've got coriander seeds, some cumin to add in there. Rub all those spices in. They're tossed, they're oiled, they're salted, they are ready to go in. So hot, hot oven. This is a massive cauliflower, so I'll just half it, and you want equal size florets. Great. Woo. Here we go. They've had their head start, and now we will just tuck our beautiful cauliflower florets in and amongst them. And then they need a little bit of oil. Give them a little spice. And let's add some chili now. Straight back into the oven it goes. I have got some toasted cashews here, about 2 handfuls. Have you seen I've kept the lovely coriander stems? They are so full of flavour, just instantly breaking out, I can smell it. You could use any herbs, dill, parsley, anything you like. What's next? Salt, brightness, we'll just squeeze. Loads of lime. It's amazing how much you can get out. We've added the lime, then we'll add some olive oil, cumin, and then we want to heat. Plonk it in, and it just smells absolutely amazing. So that can all blitz up. Let's try it. Delicious. Yum. That's how I like it. Taste of autumn. That squash is golden edge. Cauliflower leaves are all crunchy. Delicious. So this is the garlic yogurt that we just whipped up. Make a lovely little nourishing, sweet little bed. So we'll just pile it up. Look at that. The best of autumnal veg. What do you think? Is that all right for your lunch?